Hi guys, today we're having beef belly donbori, which is basically Japanese beef belly with rice. The beef is super rich and perfectly fatty and tender. It just melts in my mouth. And the beef is marinated with soy and mirin, giving it a deep savory flavor. There's also a hint of sweetness and a subtle charcoal smokiness. The beef is paired with a bed of fluffy rice, and the rice is slightly sticky and perfectly round like pearls, and a bite of beef, rice, and kimchi is just a bite of heaven. And then also I had the salad, which is basically shredded cabbage and corn and cherry tomatoes. So I added some sesame dressing for the creamy nutty flavor, and also the yuzu vinaigrette for a nice tangy kick, and it just makes vegetables taste 10 times better. And this is my go-to meal every time I come here, and it's just my comfort food and never disappoints. So I just want to share with you guys, and that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.